Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Vamsi Reddy. Today in this video we are going to discuss about one more topic on simple logic of permit using Python. So this is a basic interview question where we have seen some of the interviews print the print the full permit or print the off permit. These are the simple questions asked by the interviewers by using Python or C or C++. So I'm going to write a simple logic for this off permit. Next video I will explain about full permit video also. So let's start the code. For steps is equals to I'm going to give the integer values input. How many steps you want, how many steps of pyramid you want of pyramids, how many enter the number of steps you want the pyramid, like I want 10 steps, 20 steps, like that, some of the things. So it is a user thing. Okay, for the logic is for I in range. Yeah, the for I in range, and is the range. Why this is the range of steps, how many steps, this is a thing by the user, which many steps this is. And the next one is for j in range of why I'm using the double for loop, because first I range is how many number of steps we will count, and the next one is how many printed steps. So how many stars, if you print the stars in a pyramid shape of pyramid shape, and that further case for j in the range of I plus 1, this is the thing. And I'm bringing the starts and end this things about. And last one is what I want to print by using the slash. I want the new line, each and every iterating I want the new line. This is the basics code and logic for the off pyramid. Let's execute and see that I'm entering the 5 steps. Here the 5 number of steps pyramid is have. So here this is a 1, and this is the second step, third step, fourth step, and finally fifth step. This is the half pyramid. So let's again enter, and I will enter 15. So this is the thing you can clearly understand here, you can clearly get over here, like this is a half pyramid, this is step shape of pyramid. So this is about this entire half pyramid code. This is a simple logic, I think so you are clearly understand about this. And this all about this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates about the AI and data science and related interview preparation also. Okay friends, bye, take care.